There's all the dishes Mom uses to feed every animal in existence around the house. All that snow. That probably shouldn't be there. Oh, there's a bird. Oh, crap. He just left. Zoom in, see if we can find some of these deadbeat birds that like to bum on our food. Welfare birds. I hear ya. Oh, wait. There's a welfare bird. See if we can get in there. That right there? Welfare bird. Look at that guy. Walking around. Nike shoes. Oh, look. There's his friend. Picking up chicks. Literally. Tons of snow. Tons of welfare birds. Okay.